In a small town separated by a river, two distinct communities lived on either side, rarely interacting with each other. The only connection between them was an old, colorless bridge, mostly used for necessity rather than leisure. A young artist named Sophie, who lived in the town, dreamed of bringing the two communities together. She believed that art had the power to unite people. With this vision, Sophie proposed a project to paint the bridge, turning it into a canvas that represented both communities. After much persuasion, the town council agreed, albeit skeptically. Sophie started by inviting people from both sides of the river to share their stories, histories, and cultures. These stories became the inspiration for the bridge's design. She then organized a festival where everyone was welcome to paint a part of the bridge. At first, only a few people turned up, but as the bridge transformed with vibrant colors and meaningful patterns, more joined in. The bridge became a kaleidoscope of stories, a vivid tapestry that celebrated the diversity of the town. People who had never spoken before shared paintbrushes and stories, discovering their similarities and appreciating their differences. Sophie's initiative with the Bridge of Colors exemplifies how creativity and shared goals can break down barriers and foster unity. The transformation of the bridge symbolizes the potential for change and reconciliation in any divided community. This story is a beautiful reminder that art can be a powerful medium for social connection, bringing together diverse groups to create something beautiful and meaningful. Subscribe and like to see more of these inspirational stories.